This tutorial shows you how to build one using shapes and connectors. First, open PowerPoint. Open a new or existing presentation. After that, click Insert at the top. From there, click Shapes. At this point, select a shape from the flowchart section, like a rectangle or diamond. Click and drag on the slide to draw it. In the next step, add text by double-clicking the shape and typing directly inside it. Following this, repeat this process to add more shapes for each step of your flowchart. Once done, click Insert again, then click Shapes to add connector lines. From here, select an arrow under the line section. At this stage, click and drag from one shape to another to connect them. Keep in mind, hovering near the edge of a shape shows small arrows that let you snap connectors precisely to that shape. Finally, arrange and align all your shapes evenly using the Align tools under the Format tab. And that's it. If this guide helped you create a flowchart in PowerPoint, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.